In this video, let's learn about the equity dashboard on the platform. ModernAlgos' equity dashboard helps you track live or saved equity baskets. You also have the option to upload your existing portfolio under the My Portfolio tab and track it on the integrated platform. Live baskets on the equity dashboard tracks your executed equity basket in real time, giving you important information like amount invested, current value, overall gain or loss, and even a single day's gain or loss, as well as the returns over the last 1 year of the basket, along with its benchmark returns, all neatly organized in just a single page. View the stock-wise return details from the date of investment. At the bottom of the screen, you can also look at the basket's live performance in comparison to the benchmark, along with the sector weightage of the basket. If you wish to book profits, just click on Book Profit. This executes the basket in the market using ModernAlgos' robust trading APIs. It also allows you to choose the rebalancing period and the protection method. For example, under rebalancing period, let's choose 6 months. The system will then notify you to rebalance your basket after 6 months. Under protection, you can hedge against options and liquidate based on the selected condition. My Baskets on Equity Dashboard allows you to track the performance of the saved basket. Whenever you'd like to execute the basket in live, all you need to do is click Execute Basket at the bottom of the page. In case you would like to save multiple baskets and track them before making your decision, you can do so by using the Add Portfolio button. The Trade Book on Equity Dashboard shows you the complete stock-wise details of the trades you've executed in the day, from either your saved baskets or directly from the Equity Basket Products page. My Portfolio on Equity Dashboard allows you to upload your existing portfolio using the Upload or Add buttons on the ModernAlgos platform. Once done, you can track all your equity investments easily from one place.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.